How do you see AI changing the way software is built and the profile of startup founders?
Yeah, the profile startup founders, I'm not sure about that, but I think the engineers you hire to work on the product, you want people who are eager to embrace AI. And by now, they should have embraced it already. We've seen that especially senior engineers are sometimes reluctant to embrace AI. Now, AI works better in coding for new code bases for smaller code bases, while the senior engineers are typically focused on large code bases, existing code, really kind of problems that require a lot of context. It's really important that they are eager to embrace it.
We'll see more founders who are more idea generators versus the traditional hacker types. This is kind of thinking about someone can come up with a business idea and start leveraging AI to build their code versus traditionally that's been a barrier for people who don't have that technical background.
Yeah, I think the founders, like it's easier now to start a new project. So slowly but surely, you'll see that change to where the idea generation is even more important. But I think for now, we've seen that although you can kind of vibe code your application, you can have the AI generate most of the code. That hits limits pretty quickly, and you still need people who are good hackers.
Has AI changed how OCV companies should think about hiring software engineers? Is it more important to recruit someone who's really familiar with the open source project and the code base, or someone who is really good at using AI?
Yeah, thanks. Preferably both. It'd be very strange if someone isn't using AI today to help with their coding. It's not even maybe being good at using AI. If you're a good engineer and you're open to it, you should be good. Maybe someone started doing it late, that's fine. But if they aren't using it, that's a signal they're reluctant to use it. That's a big problem. AI doesn't make up for not being familiar with the code base. It's no substitute for that. But if someone hasn't experimented with agentic coding, that would be a huge red flag.